Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. Dusty here. I'm going to show you today how to gift a game to a friend on Steam. So what you need to do is log into your Steam account, obviously, and then go to the store and locate or track down the game that you are wanting to gift or send to your friend. Go to the games page like you normally would if you were going to buy the game for yourself. And then right here where you see add to cart, just add it to your cart like you normally would. And then here on the lower right-hand side, right next to purchase for myself, which is what we normally would do, we would go to purchase as a gift. Now, if we click on that button there, a list of our friends. Now, you must be friends with these people on Steam in order for them to populate here on the friends list via Steam. Go through here and select the friend that you're wanting to send the game to. Now, if your friend already owns the game, it'll show up in orange text, already owns the name of the game. And you can go back and edit your cart and remove that. And you could even, if you would like to, select a different friend if that's what you want to do. But if you wanted to do multiple friends, you would need to do this every single time. You can also schedule a delivery to be delivered on a specific day if it's for their birthday or for a specific event like a holiday like Christmas or something of that nature. But in the terms of this tutorial, I'm going to select my friend and then I am going to go here and I'm going to continue. And then on the next page, you're going to give the recipient's name. So the name of this person is Aaron. And then on the gift message, I'm going to say tutorial for this, but you can write a nice little message if you want to, or you can troll them, whatever you'd like to do. And then your sentiment, you can give them best wishes, buckle up, enjoy, game on. You can just kind of give them any type of, a sentiment that you would want there, and then put your signature here. So you can just type out your name if you want there, and then hit continue. And then basically here, it's like you would normally purchase a game. It'll show your payment options here. Select the one you want to use, hit continue. And then once you're ready to go, agree to the terms of service, click purchase. And then when you're done, it should give you a notification that the game is on the way. Your gift is on its way. A receipt will be emailed to you soon. And then hopefully, if you have good friends, they will thank you later for gifting them a game. If you have any questions, please put those down below in the comment section. I'll get to those as soon as possible. Thank you guys, as always, for watching the video. If it helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.